there's always a debate, PETG or PLA outside. You'll hear so many people say, oh, PLA is more than fine for stuff like this. Or if you want to print and put something in your car. Well, I'm here to tell you, I printed this late last night. This is a prototype. PLA sitting in the sun. Right here. Doesn't look the same. The left side printed in PETG, the right side printed in PLA. Check out the deformation. It's crazy. Even in the hook itself, it started to bend. It's proof in the pudding. If you're looking for versatility outside, print in PETG. PETG loaded up, and second version of my fence hooks are done. Talk about functional 3D printing. Pop them off the bed. Hear that crack? And here they are off the bed, ready for use. Again, printed in PETG, so it should stand up to the heat, should stand up to the rain, should stand up to the sun, and it should stand up to some abuse as well. And it works. Functional 3D printing.